Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best gel nail polish is probably one of the most transformative beauty products you can add to your collection. It offers a long-lasting, chip-resistant finish that can withstand the rigors of daily life, making it a favorite for those seeking both style and convenience. With a vast array of colors and finishes available, gel polish allows for endless creativity, enabling you to express your personality and elevate your look with ease. Number 5. SUNUV Sun 9C Pink Nail Lamp. Introducing the SUNUV Sun 9C Nail Dryer. This lamp uses UV plus LED dual light source to shorten curing time, curing all gels in just 60 seconds. It also features an automatic sensor, making it easy to use. This UV light is designed to quickly cure all gel nail polishes. It works with base coats, top coats, color gels, and more. Please note, it is not for regular nail polish. This portable and easy-to-use lamp is perfect for DIY nail enthusiasts. You can enjoy doing your nails at home instead of going to the salon. It's also a great gift idea. The Sun 9C curing lamp is safe for your eyes and skin. It is lightweight, powerful, and easy to clean. Its compact design makes it convenient to use. SUNUV has been developing salon-grade UV LED nail lamps for years. This product is favored and trusted by nail lovers. It also comes with 12 months of customer service. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. This nail lamp dries your nails quickly with its dual light source. It also features an automatic sensor, making it incredibly user-friendly. If you're a busy person who wants a quick and easy manicure at home, you should consider this one. What people say. The colors are very pigmented. The polish is easy to apply. It cures quickly under a UV lamp. Number 4. Beetles Poinsettia Gel Polish Set. This set features a stunning range of red shades, including a beautiful red glitter. It's the perfect collection for the upcoming holidays. You'll get 6 gorgeous colors to create a stylish manicure. We've carefully selected the top 6 trendiest colors for the year. This set allows you to create a colorful, modern manicure. Get ready to display a stylish look every time. We strive to make our digital color swatches as accurate as possible. However, due to different monitor settings, colors may differ slightly. Keep this in mind when choosing your perfect shade. With proper application, this gel polish can last for at least 4 weeks. Remember, it's a UV gel and requires a base and top coat. These are sold separately. This Beetles gel polish kit comes in a seasonal gift box, ideal for any occasion. It's a great gift for birthdays, holidays, or anniversaries. No more struggling to choose the right colors. This product may cause allergic reactions. Always read the directions carefully. It's formulated for nails only. Avoid contact with eyes, mouth, and skin. If contact occurs, rinse immediately with water. If irritation develops, discontinue use and consult a doctor. Keep it out of reach of children. What we like. This set offers a range of stunning red shades, perfect for any occasion. With proper application, it promises long-lasting wear for up to 4 weeks. If you like classic colors and are looking for a great gift, this is a perfect choice. What people say. The colors are vibrant and long-lasting. The gel polish is easy to apply and cures quickly under a UV or LED lamp. The product provides a smooth, glossy finish. Number 3. Beetles 24 PCS Summer Gel Nail Polish Set. Introducing the Beetles Summer Gel Nail Polish Set. This set includes a wide array of vibrant colors perfect for any occasion. It's a fantastic way to add some flair to your nails. This kit has everything you need. It includes 18 gel colors, 2 liner gel polishes, base and top coats, and even a nail art pen. It's ideal for creating trendy nail art designs. The Beetles gel polish set is made with high-quality materials and has a low odor. It provides a brilliant shine and flawless coverage. You'll love how it looks and feels. This gel polish is easy to apply and lasts for over 28 days when used correctly. It requires a UV LED nail lamp for curing. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. This set makes a great gift for any occasion. It's perfect for birthdays, Valentine's Day, or any special event. Give the gift of beautiful nails. Please read the instructions carefully before use. Avoid contact with eyes and mouth. If any issues arise, discontinue use and consult a doctor. Keep it out of reach of children. What we like. This kit includes a wide variety of colors, along with nail art pens. The gel polish is made with high-quality materials and is easy to apply. If you are looking for a versatile set for creating different nail art designs, you should consider it. What people say. The colors are very pigmented. The polish is long-lasting. Easy to apply and dries quickly. Number 2. CANNI Baby Blue Gel Polish. Unlike other black bottles, this one is designed to match the gel color. It gives you the most accurate view when you're doing your nails. This design makes it easy to see the true color. This gel polish is highly pigmented, ensuring full and even coverage. Even the lighter shades will look great with just a few layers. It provides a vibrant and lasting color. With proper application, this polish can last at least 30 days. You won't have to worry about chipping or peeling. It's designed for long-lasting wear. It's designed for easy and smooth application, so anyone can achieve salon-quality nails. You don't need any professional training to get great results. It's perfect for DIY nail art. Remember to cure it under a UV or LED lamp for 90 to 120 seconds. Don't forget to use a base and top coat for the best results. This will help the color last longer and look even better. What we like. The bottles are designed to match the gel color, making it easy to choose your shade. The high pigment formula ensures full coverage with minimal layers. If you want salon-quality results at home with a long-lasting finish, it's a great option. What people say. The colors are very pigmented and apply smoothly. The gel polish is long-lasting and doesn't chip easily. The variety of colors is great. Number 1. VENALISA Hema-Free Pink Gel Nail Polish Kit. This kit offers 6 popular nude pink gel polish colors. It's perfect for creating beautiful manicures at home. This set is a great gift for women and girls who love DIY nail art. Each bottle matches the gel color inside, making it easy to find the perfect shade. This design gives you the most accurate view when doing your gel manicure. It saves you time and effort. The new formula provides rich pigments for a smooth, opaque application. The colors are incredibly vibrant. You'll love the professional look it gives your nails. The brush is designed to be thick, smooth, and wide for even application. You can achieve salon-quality nails at home with ease. It makes the process simple and enjoyable. When used with a base and top coat, the polish lasts at least 4 weeks. You won't have to worry about chipping or peeling. It keeps your nails looking perfect for longer. Remember to use a base and top coat for the best results. Cure the polish under a UV or LED lamp for 90 to 120 seconds. Enjoy your beautiful, long-lasting manicure. What we like. The bottles are designed to match the gel color, making it easy to choose your shade. The highly pigmented formula ensures a smooth and opaque application. If you are looking for a set with easy application and vibrant colors, you should consider this. What people say. The colors are very pigmented. The polish is easy to apply. The polish is long-lasting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.